Stop saying today I go to office. Instead, say this today I went to office. Let's fix your English in a few minutes. So, hi everyone, welcome back to Language Nerds India. Do you want to speak English about your day confidently? Well, today you learn simple past tenses in a super easy way. So let's get started. Many learners would say, I go to market yesterday, or I eat lunch at 2 p.m. But that is wrong when we talk about our past. So here's the rule, right? When you talk about your past, use past tense verbs. For examples, um, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, watch becomes watched, right? So let's talk about your day step by step. So repeat after me. Okay, I will go slow. Say I woke up at 7 a.m. So wake up becomes woke up because you're talking about your past, an action that has already happened. Action जो हो चुका है अभी. Now say I brushed my teeth. मैंने ब्रश कर लिया है. I had breakfast. मैंने नाश्ता खा लिया है. I went to work. मैं काम पे गया था. I ate lunch. मैंने खाना खा लिया है. I watched TV. मैंने टीवी देखा है. I slept at 10 p.m. मैं रात को 10 बजे सो गया था. So good job. One more time. I woke up at 7 a.m. मैं सुबह 7 बजे उठा. I brushed my teeth. मैंने ब्रश किया. I had breakfast. मैंने नाश्ता किया. I went to work. मैं काम पे गया. I ate lunch. मैंने खाना खाया. I watched TV. मैंने टीवी देखा. And then I slept at 10 p.m. मैं रात को 10 बजे सो गया था. Good job. Now listen to this. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast and went to work. I ate lunch at 1 p.m. In the evening, I watched TV and slept early. Easy, right? Now you're framing a complete sentence like a story that you're telling about your day. Okay, so the common mistakes you need to be careful is कभी भी tenses को mix मत करो. ठीक है? I go yesterday. No, I went yesterday. ठीक है? I eat lunch. नहीं, I ate lunch. Now it's your turn. So write 3 sentences about your day in the comment section. Example, I woke up early. I went to. Keep practicing every day and your English will improve fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more easy English lessons. Again, you are watching Language Nerds India. I'm Raj and I will see you in the next video.